Take your Jeep Grand Cherokee on a whole new adventure with the FH Group made-to-order seat covers custom fit for your spacious interior. Made with soft and stretchy neoprene fabric, these custom fit seat covers are precision cut to meet vehicle specifications and tailored for a perfectly snug fit. The innovative design makes installation easy. Starting with the front bucket seats, stretch the backrest cover over the seat. Now, push the hook and loop straps through the crevice of the seat bottom. From the rear and under the seat, secure the straps using the hook and loop adhesive sides. Then, tuck the fabric inside the frame of the backrest. Next, stretch the seat cover bottom over the seat, tucking in the fabric around the base. Now, push the straps through the crevice to the back side. Grab the straps and stretch them underneath the seat bottom. Connect them together under the seat to secure the covers. Then, using the cutouts, tuck the fabric around and under the base of the headrest and secure with hook and loop adhesive sides. Slip the headrest covers over the headrest. Next, stretch the fabric over each section of the rear backrest. Tuck the fabric around and under the base of the headrest and secure with hook and loop adhesive sides. Now, push the straps through the crevice to the back side. Then secure the straps to the back side with hook and loop closure. Then, zip up the fabric to secure the covers. Next, stretch the seat cover bottom over the seat. Push the straps through the crevice to the back side. Then connect the straps onto the seat with the buckle clip and tighten with the adjustable straps. You'll find the covers are precision cut to meet vehicle specifications, allowing the cutouts access to all the vehicle's controls. And that's it! You are ready to enjoy the full benefits of your Jeep Grand Cherokee with the stylish and practical newly installed custom fit neoprene seat covers.